Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. So in this video we are going to have a look on another custom ROM for Redmi Note 6 Pro, and this time we have Octavi OS based on Android 13. Although you guys are asking me to review HyperOS for this device, but I did not get HyperOS for this device yet. If I get one, I will definitely review. So going with this ROM, actually this one is one of the perfect ROM I have found for Redmi Note 6 Pro so far. It's working pretty great here. So based on Android 13, as you can see, Octavi OS and 4.8 of unofficial ROM, this one, and based on Android 13. The security patch you are getting September 1 2023, pretty old, but there is no issue with this ROM so far. I have been using about 2 weeks now. I haven't faced any kind of issue with this ROM. So going with the UI, as you can see, setting UI is pretty optimized and work pretty well. Going with the Octavi layer, so all sorts of customization are available in this section. Whatever you want to do, going with the status bar, you want to change anything, you can do that. Quick setting also you can change, and notification panel also you can change, and whatever you want you can do from here. If you go to miscellaneous section, you can you can choose Android P style, animation style, and other things, and also you can choose unlimited photo storage for your what it called Google Photos. So it's also available. Going the network setting, like phone call and other things, working perfectly fine with this ROM, and also it does work with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and everything. And also if you go to hotspot section, there is no 5 GHz band select option, so that's not available. Going with the other things, battery is doing pretty well with this ROM. I have not found any issue with this ROM yet. So after installing this ROM, I have already done 6 cycles of battery. As you can see here, you can see I have charged 8 times here. And as I said, I have been using this ROM for pretty long time now. And going with the display section, there are a few things going on. Adaptive brightness does work. Going with the dark theme, if you want pure dark theme, you can turn it on from here, directly from here. So it doesn't matter because it's got an LCD panel. And with the display color, you can choose whatever color you want. So here, as you can see, you can choose, as I have selected already 230, because this device also get skin retention issues, so that's why I choose that one. Wallpaper and style, all the things are available. And as this one is based on Android 13, so there is no option to choose lock skin shortcut. Usually in Android 14 based ROM you can do that. Going with the accessibility, there are a few things going on here, there, so there is nothing much going on, but everything is working perfectly fine, and you will not have any issue with this ROM. As you can see, fingerprint and other things are available. Also swipe fingerprint for notification panel, that's also here, so you can do from here too, but for currently it's not working. As you can see here, it's not working, but it doesn't matter. Maybe we need to reboot the device so that it does work, but yet it doesn't work. Double tap to work to see check the phone and other things are available. There is maybe no what it called always on display for this device, but in some custom ROM they do offer that option. But yeah, this ROM, that's still dependent, actually not really good for those kind of thing, as they decrease battery very fast. And going with the application, as you can see here, there is nothing much going on. I just installed maybe YouTube and safety net to check what's going on with the ROM. So it does come with safety net passed, so you can really use bank apps on other application if you really want, although not really recommended for any kind of custom ROM. Don't use any bank application or anything like that. So going with, as you can see, safety net passed. And going with other things, the application you are getting here is very few, and also there is no MIUI camera. The camera application you are getting here is working pretty well. As you can see here, it is maybe Gcam Go, but it does work perfectly fine with this ROM. And going with the device, there is nothing much going on. Everything works perfectly fine, as this one is a custom ROM, so you might find few bugs here and there, minor bugs, not really major one. Other than that, everything working fine. Fingerprint works perfectly fine, no issue. I haven't found any issue with this ROM so far. One issue you will found is that this device, like this ROM, takes long time to boot. Even if you are let me show you. So if I restart the device, it will take long time to boot the device. So that's the only issue I have found with this ROM so far. Rather than that, everything is working perfectly fine. As you can see, it takes a long time. And so the ROM link will be in the description below. You can download it and flash it. This ROM will take time to boot. So that's all about it. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time.